today we had a treadmill. It's called Fit for You. So it came up with the issue as soon as we turn on the treadmill, the motor start working in full speed. So we need to figure out what happened. So I did clean the board, and I did turn on again, but it wasn't working in full speed. Instead of, it started working for a second, then it stopped, or you can say it attempted to work and it stopped suddenly. So there's nothing wrong with the motor, as because it was running in full speed before we clean the board. So definitely there's nothing wrong with the motor. To check that, I unplugged the motor wire here, then too, and turn it on. Then I had the code E6, and when we plug the code back, we get the code E5 after 1 second of working. So there's something wrong with the board. So we're gonna have a look. To take the board out, you have to uh, unplug the power, turn it off, and unplug it. Let me unplug first. Yeah, have unplugged it. So now I'm gonna take this unplug motor wires, then two, and well, before you take off any cables, just you better to take a picture so you can connect it back. This is the wire, it's going to the controller. I'm unplugging it, then two wires. So yeah, and you have two screws here, one is here and one here. So remove them and take the board out. To remove this board from this heatsink, there are two bolts here, so you can see. So you have to take them out, and you have two here as well, so you have to unscrew them, then this board will come out. Here, this is the board. So basically you can see that. So here there's a resistor I had as a spec, but I replaced it, but still I have the same issue with the error E5. So the problem with this board is this guy here. So you may not notice because this is just a cover. So if you take that out, and here, so you have to replace that. So you need to have soldering iron. So let's see once we replace this. Here, this is the old one and this is the new one. You can check the number, and I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna put in the diode mode, and here you can see sorry, I'm only using one hand because the other hand is holding the camera. Here you can see the reading is same, and on this there's a short. See, and the other way around. Here them two is showing a reading, and here on this one, sorry about the bad view, them to short as well. So yeah, so problem is this guy. So we're gonna replace the new parts and I'll come back to you. Here this is gonna go on this way, the same way how it was, the old part was. So yeah, okay. And here, oops, it's difficult with one hand. Okay, we are going to solder this and I'll come back to you. Here, this is how it's going to be after you solder. So once you have done, I'm gonna put this plastic cover which was here, not plastic, it's like silicone or something. So I'm gonna put this on the heatsink and put all the screw back on it and I'll come back to you. Once you have done, connect all the wires back and put all the screws back. Once it's done, put this cover back on. There's one screw in the middle and two on the side and the other two on the other side. So then turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth motor.
We're gonna check this. Press the start button. Now you can see it's working fine. Gonna put the speed at 12. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.